Since Excel is the basic to reduce your work in our office workflow, here are some basic formulas where I have explained what formula and how it can be useful. If you missed to see the Excel part 1, I have given above in the I column, maybe you can see that, and even I have given the link in description also. So in this video we are going to see about how this formula will get work. Count, COUNTA, trim, CountBlank, minimum, maximum, average, left, right, mid, and finally we are going to see how all it works. Welcome to Facts of the Fact, Excel Basics Part 2. First, count. So we have a series of numbers here. So totally it's coming around 23. Since it is a small counts, we are just calculating manually or by selecting. If in case we have a data of 1000 or 2000 or even not in the round figures, so how we will calculate using this count? The formula is equal to count, open the bracket, select the column which you have the series of number, close it and hit enter. So you will get 23. But instead of selecting only the columns, why we are selecting the overall column? Because even in future if you add or if you delete, you will get the count. That's why we are selecting overall column. So based on that it will get auto calculator. Countif. In count we have seen overall we are calculating how many cells is been filled with numbers, but here we are giving a criteria. Like here are the series of numbers in G column. However, we are going to count only the criteria based on the criteria. So first is equal to Countif, open the braces, we are selecting the G column, comma, I am giving a criteria as 1, which means simply I just want to identify or I need to count how many ones are there in the series. So when I hit enter, it's showing the overall count only for the 1. So I have 4 ones in this row. Okay, let me check it manually. 1 and I found 2 and again I found 3 and finally 4. So I have 4 ones here. Since I have selected the whole column for G, so if I make any changes in the future, it will get auto calculated based on the numbers. Okay, now Countifs, like I am going to give one or more criteria. If only one criteria, I can use Countif. If I am going to use more than one criteria, then Countifs will work. Let's see, here are the table column where alphabetic is in the name and count side we have. So I am going to retrieve a data like equal to Countifs, open the braces, select range criteria 1. So I am selecting the whole criteria and I am giving the criteria as A. So I want to first select A, and in the second I have selected the range and I am giving the criteria as 5. So wherever the name is A and the count is 5, will count as 1. So I have found A with value 5. So 1 and A as count 5. So I have got totally 2 counts where it's satisfying both the criteria. It should be A and it should be 5. Even if I change here A, it won't get count because the count is 9. Only one criteria is matching. it should match two criteria. It should be A and it should be 5. If that is the case, then it will get calculated. Maybe we can change some other thing here. Instead of C, the next row, I am giving A. Now it's calculating 3 because it is satisfying both the criteria A and 5. This is how Countifs work. Count A. Normally this formula we use like we have a series of numbers where in between we have a blanks also. We have empty cells. So we are calculating only the filled cells, which means non-blank cells. So equal to count A, open the braces. I am just selecting the series of row including the blank columns and close the braces. When I hit enter, it will calculate only the non-blank cells. So overall 20 cells we have filled with values. This is how count A works. Count blank. This is just opposite of count A, where in count A we have calculated only the filled gaps, filled details. In count blanks we will calculate how many blank cells, how many empty cells are there in the row. So equal to count blank, open the braces. I am just selecting the G column and close braces and click enter. Once done, it will show you exactly how many blank or empty cells you have in that row. This is how count blank works. Trim. Normally this trim we use for reducing or just eliminating the unnecessary spaces, unwanted spaces. So here in the first we have he is a boy. It's a statement where we have so many gaps between he and is and A and boy. So if we want to have a perfect phrase, then we need to type it manually. And then the second column, before he they have so many spaces, blank spaces there. So how we will do? Equal to trim, open the braces, just select the text box and hit enter. You will get he is a boy without blank. Let's try the second. Equal to trim, open the braces, select second column he is a boy. So once I hit enter, it is just eliminating the blanks before the he and it's giving the exact statement. Concatenate, where every cell have every value. So I want to collate all the value. If I want to do it manually, I will just type good work, good space work. So using this concatenate, we can club the words like equal to concatenate, open the braces. I am just selecting the cell one by one. So D12, E12, F12, D12, G12. So overall I have added good, comma, I need a space. So I am just giving a criteria that quotes, space, quotes, comma. And then again I am selecting H12, I12, J12 and K12. Close the braces and hit enter. Now you can see good space work. This is how concatenate works. Min. This min formula we can use for finding the minimum value in a series of number. So how to find it? This is equal to min, open the braces, select the series of value and close the braces, enter. So in this series the minimum value is 1. Same like min, this is maximum number, where we can identify the maximum number in the series of numbers. Equal to max, open the braces, select the column close the braces, enter. So as of now, the series of number, the highest value, the maximum value is 9. If I change it to 100, then it will automatically calculate the maximum number as 100. Same like average. To find the average of a series of number is equal to average, open the braces, select the column, close the braces, enter. So average value of this 23 series of number is 4.91. Left. So I have a series of information here where first 2 letter is a country code and followed by the numbers, where every 8 counts have the same pattern. First 2 digit is country code, the next 3 digit is the following numbers. So now I want to have only the first 2 country codes like AE or PKIIN. So for that I am using this code is equal to left, left, open the braces. I am selecting the text from where I want, comma, how many digits I need. I need only first 2. If I select 3, it will take 3 counts. So here, since I need only the country code, I am just selecting only 2. So I am getting AE alone. Okay, let's fill the series. Equal to left, open the braces. I am just selecting the text, comma, character 2. Okay, AE. I am just copying this and pasting the formula in all cells. As simple as that. Same like left, now we are going to see right. Nothing but we are just pulling the data from the right end. Previously we did in the left end. So we are ignoring the country code, we are just pulling the following numbers. Equal to right, open the braces, select the text, comma, from right I need 3 characters. So I am just putting 3. Let's fill the series. Equal to right, open the braces, select the text, comma, 3 numbers. Copy and paste it to all so that I can get overall numbers. And finally we are going to see the mid, where the country code is in between, starting with number, and mid we have a country code and following by the numbers. So equal to mid, open the braces. I am just selecting the text, comma, starting number. The country code is starting in the 4th digit, so I am just putting 4, comma, how many codes I need? I need only 2, which means I need the value of 4 and 5. So I am selecting put 2 and close the braces, enter. F10 is the text, 4 is the starting number and 2 is the overall value I need. So it's AE. So equal to mid, open the braces, select the text, comma, I need from 4th, comma, I need 2. So copy and fill the series, you will get the country code. So this is how mid works.
Hope you have enjoyed the video. Like the video, share to your friends and subscribe for future videos.